I bet you've never seen this toilet paper trick before. And no, it is not putting essential oil in the tube part right here, which is really fun, by the way, because every time you roll this down, you get a nice waft of lemon or lavender, whatever your choice may be. I've also done this with baby oil. Let me know in the comments box below if you have done this. But I'm going to show you something even cooler when it comes to jazzing up, razzle-dazzling your toilet paper. You got your toilet paper sitting here. And by the way, are you up or down? Always up at my house. It's got to be. And look at this. I mean, it just kind of looks unput together, unkept. I don't know, I don't like that. When your guests come over, you want to wow and impress, or I like to wow and impress myself. I'm a weirdo like that. So this is what you are going to do. You're going to go ahead and take your toilet paper right here. It doesn't matter if you have a frayed edge, or you can rip off a nice clean sheet right there if you want to, and you're going to turn on your water. That's about good. And then you're just gonna fold in the sides of one piece of toilet paper, just like so, as nice as you can. By the way, this is gonna look awesome if you display your toilet paper, if you have it sitting out or in a basket. It's just that nice little extra touch. And then right here under the sink, because you got it slightly damp, you're gonna go ahead and press in the toilet paper roll. Hold it 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, and then we're gonna pull it out. And if you have a dirty sink, that's what's gonna happen. Let's just get a Clorox wipe right here. This is one of those spaces in your house that probably doesn't clean as often as it should, at least it is in my case. Let's go ahead and try that again. Now you wanna press pretty hard on in there. Give it a good tug. And there we go. Look at how nice this looks. I'm so excited. And then you can put it on there and it just looks extra special when someone comes to your house or for your guests. If you love additional cleaning videos, especially when it comes to your toilet, click the video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.